In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung air conditioner to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an conditioner from Samsung, you can actually connect it to an iPhone. It is simple to do, and all you need is the SmartThings app. So before starting, I would highly recommend for you to open up the Apple App Store and download the SmartThings application. You will be able to find it, and once you download it, the next thing to do is to ensure that Wi-Fi is enabled on your iPhone. You will most likely use Wi-Fi to set it up. So all that you have to do now is open the SmartThings app. Inside of SmartThings, you will either see the plus sign at the top or the option to add devices. Choose whichever one you prefer. Once you tap the option to add a new device, you will see the main ways to add devices. I would highly recommend using Scan QR Code. By choosing the option to scan a QR code, you will now get instructions on what to do. So there will be a QR code on your Samsung air conditioner, and you simply have to scan it. The QR code will be detected automatically when it's positioned within the guidelines. Now, if this does not work or you don't like this approach, then just scroll down and you will be able to find Add Home Appliances, including air conditioner, as you can see right here. So when you tap the option to add an air conditioner, you will get instructions. For this method, you will have to use your remote. So as you can see, if you have the remote control shown on the left, so this skinnier one, you have to press this button displayed here. And alternatively, if you have the one on the right, you just hold the timer button for at least 5 seconds. So just follow the instructions depending on which model you have. Once you press that button for the specified amount of time, you will now have to finish the connection by going over to the Wi-Fi settings. So this is why I mentioned in the beginning that's very important for Wi-Fi to be set up. You might be able to skip some of these steps if you chose to connect over a QR code, but assuming that you still see them, go over to the Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone and you will be able to connect to the new network. So you have to connect to the network and then input this password 1 5 times and then 2 5 times. Once this is done, you can resume the connection to your previous network, and now it is going to be connected. You will be able to set it up however you prefer, so you can give it a name, customize the location and room, and set as the favorite. Afterwards, it is going to appear on the home screen of the device or the SmartThings app, and you will be able to power it on, power it off, and control the temperature. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung air conditioner to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.